Welcome to Mintt, Instafeed, the Instagram feed app for Shopify. In this quick walkthrough, we'll cover how to connect your Instagram, add your feed to your store, customize the design, set up shoppable posts, and display user-generated content. Let's get started. First, let's connect your Instagram account. The app is fully compliant with Meta's official API, so your account stays protected. It only takes a minute to complete the setup. Go to Connect with Instagram. Log in to the Instagram account you want to display. Once you grant permissions, your Instagram posts will automatically sync. You can switch or disconnect accounts at any time from the drop-down menu. Now let's display your feed on your store. The app is lightweight and won't slow down your store. You can add your feeds to any page: homepage, collection pages, product pages, even custom landing pages. Let's add the feed we created to your homepage. The Instafeed section will be added automatically to your homepage. When you save, your feed will be live. You can change the location of your feed as you like. You can customize how your feed appears on your store, ensuring it aligns with your branding. For instance, you can choose to display only photos, only videos, or both. When you choose videos, you can spotlight Reels-style content. Your feeds are already fully responsive, but you can also adjust your layout manually. If manual layout is selected, you can adjust how many columns to display on the mobile screens. To match your branding, you can also customize the layout of your feeds and pick between a grid or slider layout. For swipeable carousel-style feeds, choose Slider. One of the most popular features is Video Autoplay. This will play your videos automatically to keep visitors engaged. You can even customize how your shoppers interact with your videos. Here is how the hover option works, as an example. On the Manage Posts page, you can change the order of your content, pin or hide individual posts to further curate your feed. You can easily reorder or pin posts by dragging and dropping them. You can also hide posts easily with the eye icon. Now let's make your feed shoppable. Mintt Instafeed makes it easy to tag products to your Instagram content so shoppers can directly add items to their cart while discovering your feed. Reopen Manage Posts to add product tags to your posts. Use the tag icon to add products or collections to make posts shoppable. You can easily choose the product from the pop-up menu. As there can be multiple shoppable items on a single post, you can select multiple products. Do not forget to select to complete tagging products. Check that your product tags are correct. You can easily navigate to the next post to continue tagging. Here's how shoppers experience your shoppable feeds. They can tap on tagged products and add them straight to their cart. The items are ready for checkout instantly, making it a smooth shortcut from inspiration to purchase. On the Plus plan, you don't even need to tag manually. Our auto tag feature matches your products to posts automatically. To enable auto tagging, now go to Settings and find the Shopping Experience section. When you enable auto tag, Instafeed automatically pulls product tags from your Instagram posts without manual work needed. If shoppable feeds are a priority, we highly recommend trying it with a 7-day free trial on Pro or Plus plans. Auto tagging is only available for the Plus plan, and you can easily cancel your subscription anytime. If you're working with influencers or your customers are posting about your products, that's a great way to show social proof. Mintt Instafeed automatically fetches UGC, so you don't need any manual uploading. In your feed settings, go to Posts to show. Choose Instagram tagged posts to display user-generated content. When saved, it'll automatically collect UGC. Again, on the Manage Posts page, you can choose which tagged posts to display or hide. That's it. You're all set now to display your Instagram feeds on your store. Thanks for choosing Mintt Instafeed. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to our support team.